Hello everyone, I'm neimykanani and welcome to my YouTube channel. I was editing my speed painting that you're watching right now and I wanted to make it shorter but there's too much footage, so I decided to make a casual talk added into the video. So this topic idea came from a conversation I had with a friend because I wanted to help improve her Instagram bio and I thought it would be an interesting video to make. I created a bullet list of what I wanted to say, so if you want to, you can take out your notebook and take some of my advice that you might think will be helpful. So the main topic of this video is how to present yourself as a professional artist on social media. It's just something I've noticed seeing different type of artists and what the professional artists do versus artists who are just beginning. So these advices, it's mostly for artists who are really trying to make themselves look more professional and want people to treat them as a professional artist. So I'm just going to go down the list. I'm trying to think like this. I'm talking with you like a casual talk as a friend. So first, pay attention to what people see first. So when people come to your account, they see your bio first, right? People have small attention span, like it's 8 seconds. So you have to make it easy for people to read. I see a lot of young artists do this, but I don't recommend putting your age in your bio because people who hire you don't care about your age. So if you're looking for a job, people don't really care about that. Put your profession in your bio. So if you're an illustrator or you're like me, I'm an illustrator, I'm a concept artist. Don't put aspiring because people who will look at your bio will give an impression that you're still learning and you're not experienced. My advice is you're probably already experienced than a lot of the younger artists or just beginning, so you don't have to feel ashamed. The people who will come to your bio and want to find artists, a specific artist, if you put your profession, you're telling them your niche and they will feel more confident or comfortable to reach out to you. So stop putting I don't know what I'm doing in your bio too. I see that a lot. I could tell that they're just fresh out of college or they're still a student, and it just leaves a bad impression in my opinion. And for Instagram, you can put your email and you can click email and people can reach out to you, but I still recommend writing business email column or dash your email to show that you're available for work. It looks more professional. And think of the composition of your bio, guide the viewer. So when I was giving advice to my friend, she kind of wrote something along the lines of what I'm not sure what I'm doing. I just draw stuff kind of. And when she put in her business email in between, like above her website, it became like a triangle shape and it guided the viewer to her website. And I was like, oh, I could see your website more better because it's guiding the eye to the bottom. So if you check my Instagram bio, I want people to see my clickable link. So I put an arrow. You can do that too. It's more easier. And I highly recommend having a website for those people who want to know you more. It feels more organized, in my opinion. And it tells a more specific area of what you like to draw or what you do. In your bio, you can write what you enjoy drawing and where you're from. Avoid putting student or your school name if you want to be seen as a professional. I don't think people care where you went, and putting student, it kind of gives the impression that you don't have any experience. And I never put my school in my bio. I just had illustrator, concept artist, and now people believe that I have years of experience. So it's a higher chance of clients reaching out to me. I've also noticed some artists, they put so much information that it becomes see more, and people have to click to see more to see all the written bio. It's too much, in my opinion. Just try to make it short because you want people to see your artwork, not just reading your bio. This one might be a bit controversial, but I believe you shouldn't put commissions are open or available for work and hire, because a lot of the pricing for commissions artists put out there are very low priced, and for companies looking for hiring you for freelance work, it might appear as if you're not having a lot of opportunities. That's just how I look. If you are doing commissions, you can just post a artwork of someone's commission and say, oh, commission done for some so and so. Or instead of putting the commissions are open or available for work and hire, just put business contact or business email email, like I said before. It just professionally shows that you're available for work, and people will still contact you for commissions. They will ask you if your commissions are open, and you can just start the conversation from there. And in my experience, I still get commission questions if I'm open and I have bigger projects contact for me. Another one, don't put freelance, because to some people it's another way of saying unemployed. That's just something I think people might think or put an impression. So it's up to you if you want to put it in or not. I would consider myself a freelance artist, but I just don't put it in my bio, and people still reach out to me. So, and this is for specifically for Instagram. Switch your account to business, so, and connect to your Facebook page, so you have more access to insights and all of the tools Instagram has for professional artists and creators. And I highly recommend Creator Studio. This is off topic to the professional bio thing, but Creator Studio, you can just log into your Instagram and it tells you more specific time people are online, and you can post from there, and you can also post higher quality videos if you want to post video stuff. I'm sorry if I'm kind of all over the place. I'm just going down the list of what I wrote. So even if you don't have experience, the way people treat you would change if you present yourself as a professional artist. And it's really difficult to build yourself as a professional artist. I've been on Instagram since high school, and people treat me more as a higher level artist just by how I present myself on the internet. And I've seen a lot of artists who get really bad clients and people who treat them badly, saying, oh, the price is like too much and everything. But in my experience, people respect what the pricing I give them, because I don't present myself as a student or unexperienced. I tell myself that I am experienced as a person who went to art college and graduated recently, like just last year. But I understand a lot of art college students who just left school, they feel unconfident telling the world that they're a professional artist. But for the people, if I could give them advice, I would say you already have experience from school. They give you so much assignments, you finish the work on time, and it's so much more work than the real world, in my opinion. So be confident to present yourself as a professional artist. So when I was talking with my friend, she said, quote, every professionalism class I attended to, they keep saying make separate accounts for sketchbook stuff and finish painting, so I got scared to upload anything. You don't really have to. I would say that even if it's a professional account, showing kind of like your process helps people understand how you work. And I would say if you should make another account is when you have like another obsession that's unrelated to everything you're doing. And make yourself approachable like a human being. So what I mean is be careful with presenting yourself as too professional, like a robot, like a brand. You see a lot of brands trying to be relatable. Like, as an artist, you should be more relatable too. You should let people know that you're a human. It makes people more approachable to you, and I believe if people understand that you feel a connection, it's easier to email them and tell if they want to work together. And my last advice is remind yourself what people see first when they come to your account. Because first impression is so important. If you have your bio as unexperienced and you're aspiring to be an artist, people will think you're not experienced. It's okay that you don't feel experienced. So that's just my advice. Let me know if you have any more questions, and tell me what other advice you want to hear from me. I hope you enjoyed watching the speed painting too. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.